Welcome everyone to another brand new video of Singapore. Singapore is located at the southern tip of Malay Peninsula and north of the equator. In the Southeast Asia, Singapore has the largest port. Singapore is part of the Commonwealth because they were once a British colony. Singapore has a diverse population. Chinese has the largest group in Singapore, followed by the Malays and lastly, the Indians. English, Mandarin Chinese, Malay, and Tamil are some of the languages spoken in Singapore. English language is the main medium of communication. It is used in schools and administrative offices. Confucianism, Buddhism, or Taoism are some of the religions found in Singapore. Singapore has a powerful financial and industrial sectors. In Singapore, tourism has become increasingly important to the economy. Singapore has duty-free shopping and a variety of recreational attractions, alongside refurbished beachfront, are among the main attractions. Singapore functions traditionally as financial intermediary, shipping raw materials such as rubber, timber, and spices from the Southeast Asian region in swap for finished goods from both within and, especially, outside the region. Singapore's major imports are transport and machinery equipment and crude petroleum. Machinery and refined petroleum products are the major exports. Singapore's principal trading partners are China, the United States, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Japan. Singapore has a well-developed network of roads and highways, but traffic congestion frequently is a major trouble. Singapore is a unitary parliamentary democracy. Education is highly valued in Singapore. Singapore is a great city and it worth visiting. Make time and visit this beautiful city. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe.